What a mess. Almost a year ago, right before the 4th of July, a big storm with heavy downpours caused this in Chicago, flooded homes and streets. Neighbors on the west side were hit especially hard, and some people are still waiting for help. New at 10 tonight, our Jermont Terry caught up with contractors stepping up to do the work for free.
Last summer, countless homes in Austin and Lawndale looked like this. Several feet of water filled basements from the 2023 flood.
At first, I was so upset over the odor from the flood and how high it was.
Mary Crump and her husband have called Austin home for 50 years.
I bet you remember the floods of last year.
That's the first flood I ever had like that. Wow. Since I've been here.
The sewer backup left behind mold and bigger problems in basements.
It was not safe for me.
But it begs the question, wasn't safe? Well, why not just get it fixed?
Don't have the money to do all of that. You gotta wait.
And nearly a year later, Mrs. Crump and hundreds of flood victims on the west side have been waiting on some financial relief and federal assistance.
These are people's lives that we're talking about.
37 Ward Alderman Emma Mitz has been working hard to get help to those in her ward.
Some of the people was only getting $300 from FEMA. Then you had to have contractors, and thank goodness for the contractors that been able to help out.
We're doing cleanouts and rehabs to the basements.
Contractors like Mark Jones with Provident Industries.
We're cutting out, up to 4 foot. In some places, we're taking the whole wall out.
Are coming into many of the basements, making repairs for free.
We operate in multiple states, right? So money isn't as important as somebody having a safe place to live, a healthy place to live.
The help is coming from many, including this crew from AmeriCorps, here in Chicago to do the dirty job of digging out the mold.
You have hesitations going into a place that has mold in it.
And once completed, the smiles and gratitude show.
We actually got to speak with the homeowners and got to take a picture with them.
But none is more happier than those like Mary Crump and her husband. They can now breathe easier.
I'm just happy for that.
In Austin, Jermont Terry, CBS 2 News.